Welcome back, Hotwheelers. Today we're reviewing the Hot Wheels Exotic 5-pack, and interesting thing, the Lotus has been flipped up to the side, so hopefully it's okay. We'll open and have a look. Yeah, so these are the cars. They're quite nice. There's the 5 is the Pagani, Lamborghini, 2 Lamborghinis, the Lotus, and an Aston Martin V8 Vantage. So yeah, I was just thinking, why don't we go and race them, Dion?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Right, let's go, guys. Let's go and race them. Let's go. And this is where the racing happens. So yeah, that's our track. I'm sure we've all seen it before. Let's close the door. Right, so I was thinking maybe since these are exotics, we'll race them against some hypercars and see which are the best. So let's select 5. Dion, let's select 5 hypercars.
Okay,
Let's get them.
Let's get LaFerrari. Where's LaFerrari?
Okay, so we got a Ferrari. What else?
What other cars shall we go with? Maybe let's try the. Hold on, what is this? This is the Project 8, yeah?
Okay.
That's the Project 8.
Project 8.
Here's a very nice looking car indeed. It's a Lamborghini Veneno.
Lamborghini Veneno. What else?
I'm thinking. What could we get? Maybe we could get the Hurricane Super Trofeo.
Hurricane Super Trofeo.
Yeah, I can't really find it. We'll go back to that later. Is there any other?
What about the Pagani? Another
be.
Pagani. Let's grab that Pagani there. That's a hypercar.
Yeah.
And
Hey.
what else? Let's get one more.
No, I know what to get.
What about a Porsche? Let's get a Porsche Spider.
What about Bentley?
Okay, let's try Bentley.
Let's get a Bentley. First Bentley.
Right. So put them down. Let's have a
Goes
look.
309 kilometers per hour,
Wow.
guys. It's really fast indeed.
So these are the challenges, guys. So they'll be going against the Hot Wheels 5-pack. Here we go, guys. So these are the challenges today. So we've unboxed the Hot Wheels Exotics, and they are to the right hand side, and on the left hand side are the challenges, which is randomly selected by Dion. These are our hypercars, and so we also like to put a note out there that there's a young lad that started up a YouTube channel. His name is Sanjo Techie. I've put a link down below, so if you guys are keen, check out his channel, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to him. Okay, let's get racing underway. Here we go, Hot Wheelers. This is the first race. We've got the Hot Wheels Exotic 5-pack in lane 1, 2 and 3 cars from them, and 3 hypercars in lane 4, 5 and 6. Right, racers ready.
On your marks, get set, go! The Lamborghini Sister Elemental takes the win.
Here we go, guys. This is the second race of the remaining cars. So we've swapped over the lanes. So we've got our hypercars in lane 1 and 2, and the remaining 2 of the exotic packs in lane 5 and 6. Racers ready.
On your marks, get set, go! The Lamborghini Super Leggera takes the win.
Here Here we go, guys. These are our finalists. These are 2 cars from the Hot Wheels exotic pack. So in lane 2 we've got the
Lamborghini Superleggera.
And in lane 5 we've got the
Lamborghini Sesto Elemento.
Excellent. Right. Racers ready.
On your marks, get set, go. The first race goes to the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento.
Here we go, guys. This is race 2 and we swapped over the lanes, so let's see if the Lamborghini can win the second race again. Racers ready?
On your marks, get set, go. The Lamborghini Sesto Elemento has won. It has beaten the Lamborghini Superleggera.
Well, here we go, guys. The race is over for today. And yep, we had an awesome time. The race was really good. Some nice new cars we've got to add to our collection that we unboxed today. And yeah, Dion, you've got anything to say?
Yep, so the Sesto Elemento in red. That's my favorite car, the Lamborghini Superleggera. But I'm happy because my selection won. It was a Hot Wheels Exotic 5-pack. And Dad, do you have anything to say? Are you a bit upset or not?
Not really upset, but that is racing. You win sometimes, you lose sometimes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep on Hot Wheeling. Bye for now.